Hey, welcome back, everybody.
I'm late again.
Oh no, what's going on with you?
Too many burritos.
Too many burritos?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Because it's Taco Tuesday.
Oh, Taco Tuesday, but that's too many tacos, not burritos.
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody, today is actually the release date of the new Snapdragon.
Which we just got our hands on.
Yeah, great. Yeah, that's right. We just happened to get our hands on this Snapdragon Surface
computer.
Pro. Yeah.
Yeah, computer.
And this one's actually got the Snapdragon X Elite version of it. So we'll take a look. And this is actually the blue color. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys, if you guys were interested in picking up the color. But we'll be doing a more in-depth review once we unbox it. And then this is the new Microsoft Surface Pro. This is just the release version of it. And this has got 16 gigabytes of RAM. And this one, Snapdragon, there is going to be... there's two versions, the Snapdragon Elite, let me look at this. The Snapdragon X Elite.
I have a question.
And that one has three versions of it.
Yeah.
It's got the 80 series, or 78 series, 80, and 84. 84
Really?
is the top tier one. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then they also have a Snapdragon X Plus. So that's another version, but that one I believe only comes in one tier of it. But yeah.
What color is that one? This color right here?
Yeah, it's the blue. So
is there any other colors of this?
Yes, I'll put all the colors here. But yeah, they come in different colors. So yeah, let's open it up. Let's see.
Let's open this up.
You want to go ahead and open that up for
Yep.
us?
Where do you open it up from?
Right here. See, it's got the little pull tags right there. So you can pull it and...
like that?
Yeah, there you go.
I've seen something
so
like this.
So now that you open it, now we flip it over this way.
And then we do this.
Yeah, there you go. Whoa.
It's like one of those tablets you open up.
Yes, look at that.
What's that?
It's actually a nice color.
What's this?
That's where you pull it up. So that way you can take it out, see?
Oh.
Wow. That's actually a pretty nice color, huh? Show everybody in the video. Show everybody the color.
It's like a cyan.
Yeah, it's like a cyan color. It's pretty nice color.
Let's see inside. Let's get this.
That's actually the. Let's show
Wait,
everybody
what's
really
this blue stuff?
Yeah, that's actually the back of it.
Are we supposed to take this off?
Yeah, but we'll show them. And this is actually the kickstand. See, you guys pull it up in there. So let me move this real quick on the side.
Is that the screen right here?
And then in here, no, that's just the cover. Oh. In here, you get basically
a charger.
You open it up, yeah, and you just get the charger in there, and the cable for the charger.
What's this big area?
So there's nothing much in here.
What's in this big area?
Nothing. There's actually nothing in there, and there's some paperwork.
That's
in
a
here.
waste of room.
So yeah, there's not much in here. So again,
that's a waste of room.
Well, just to keep the tablet. And if you want any of the accessories, you do have to buy that separately. Like the keyboard, and if you want the stylus, that would have to be purchased separately as well. So that's
what was that?
Oh, it's actually turning on. So
how?
Let's put this here. And,
can I do the thing?
Yeah. Just let me put this right here. So you can pull it off.
I think it went inside.
Yeah.
It went inside.
We're having a little difficulty here.
Yeah, it didn't want to work. 3, 2, 1, pull. Oh.
There you go. So
that's sticky.
Yeah, let's put
wait, let me see that. I want to break it.
We'll put it right here so that way
it doesn't get broken.
Yeah, so let's look at this really quick. I want to show you guys again the color.
Is this gonna be yours or your?
We're gonna be testing this out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll test this out and see how it goes. Down at the bottom in here
is this gonna be yours or
connection? It's got 2 ports here for where the actual keyboard goes. See?
Is this gonna be a present or like is this gonna be yours?
Yeah, we're gonna be testing this out.
Is this gonna be yours after the video?
I don't know. We're gonna see. And then in here we have the connector here for the dock, as you guys can see here. So that's pretty nice there. Up here in the top, all the way around.
Oh wait, I forgot to do something. I'll be right back.
Okay. We got the round corners here, as you can see there. And it's got the power button here, volume control up and down there. This is very nice and round here. It's got 2 USB ports here. These are actually not longer Thunderbolt ports. They're actually USB 4s, I believe. So it's not a Thunderbolt port. So, but it's still, from what I understand, it does still 40 gigabits per second. So that's pretty good as well. So yeah, the screen here is very nice, as you guys can see that. So it's like a regular surface. It's very thin, very nice. Let me take a look in here. As you guys can see, this is the iPad Pro.
I can literally
11-inch.
see the difference.
So you guys can kind of
see
that.
You can see the difference.
Yeah, you can see that the iPad is a lot thinner.
Thinner.
Well, actually, not by much. Look.
Yeah, like it's like a tiny cliff.
Yeah, it's very.
It's like it slides and it boom.
Yeah, it's very minimal. So again, it's very impressive for the.
I can see like 3 differences.
Yeah.
Want to know the 3 differences?
What is the 3 differences?
The size.
Yeah.
Actually 4. The longness. I don't know how to present that.
Yeah, how long the length.
Yeah, the highness. Yeah, compared to the other one, and then the color and symbol.
Yeah, the color's very nice, huh?
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah, actually, the color actually turned out very nice. So
imagine they made one of these, but for kids. That would be cool.
Kids can use these too.
Really?
So yeah, it's a tablet, so it's a computer, so kids can use it. But kids gotta be more responsible, make sure that they don't damage it or anything like that. So yeah, once again, I just basically wanted to show you guys that you guys were interested in picking up this color. That way you guys can get an idea what the color looks like and everything. So it's actually a nice blue. It's got a camera in the back now.
It's like a gold glow. It's like a gold glow.
It's got a camera in the back now.
Sorry.
And then it's got a front-facing camera. So that's pretty nice. So you can actually use it to scan documents or take a quick picture of something that you want to add into your project or anything like that, right?
Or like picture.
A picture, yeah.
Or like
I would use it as a camera because the quality is not good. But again, and then in here it's got for the vents in here, as you can see here. But it's supposedly not needs too much cooling or anything like that. In here, it's got, I
have a question.
Next to that, it's got a microphone there, as you can see.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Which store did you get it from?
We got this one from I think Best Buy. This one was Best Buy, yeah. Okay. So in here in the back, the nice thing about this, you're able to upgrade the SSD drive right here. Very easy, as you guys can see that. See how I pushed it, and it opens it up. So basically, you go like this, pick this up, and it's got this one that has 512 gigabytes in this one. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna upgrade it. You wanna hand me the?
This?
No, the 2 terabyte.
Oh,
there
this?
you go. So we're gonna go ahead and try to upgrade it with this 2 terabyte SSD drive. So that's very nice. This is from the size what I'm looking at here, it looks to be the 2230, which is this is a 22. Yeah, this is a 2230, as you guys can see there, 2230. I don't think it's a 2242. It looks like a 22, but if it is a 2242, we'll do that. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys. Basically what I'm gonna do is take the SSD drive here without booting it up. Well, it's booted up now, but I'll take it out, put in an external drive, and do the copy mirroring. We'll use cloning software to clone it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So anyways, yeah, hope this video helps you guys wanting to pick up this color. I hope this shows up very nicely.
We'll do the screen protector for this?
Yeah, we'll kind of pick up another screen protector for it. And if you look at it at angles, it kind of sort of changes color. And it's got a nice aluminum finish.
It's like a white, it's like a light blue.
Yeah, and it all depends how you look at it. If you're looking at it straight like that, it almost looks like a silver blue, right?
Or like a dark blue.
Yeah, it almost dark blue.
Like this part,
silver.
like the corners black and stuff like that.
You guys can see, hopefully in the video, I know the lights kind of
Look
reflect.
at it, you can see yourself on it. Yeah. It's like a mirror when you have it off. You guys can see
how they change sort of the color. So yeah.
So like when, you can use this for like 2 reasons. A mirror when it's off and then like a regular tablet.
Yeah. So once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.
Yep.
And then
hit that notification bell.
Yeah. Hit the notification bell.
It helps our channel.
Yes, very much. And we really appreciate it.
Yeah, it helps very much.
Yeah. So
the merch will be coming soon, we hope.
Yeah, hopefully.
Let's make it
let's make it happen.
Let's make that happen.
Yeah.
Well, what day are we expecting it to be done? What do you think?
I don't know. We still have
probably
we need to kind of design it still first.
And we're not gonna do that much videos after June 3rd, right? because we're going to Mammoth.
July 3rd.
Yeah, July 3rd. Yeah.
Maybe we'll do some videos up in Mammoth testing
Yeah.
out the GoPro.
Yeah, we can.
The
we
GoPro.
can test them out on the bus. I mean trolley.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We can see how good it looks in the bus.
Okay, so yeah, thanks again. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
That's the end of this video.
Yeah.
See you next time.
See you next time. Yeah.